Good morning, dear friends. Today we are going to learn edges and corners. This is a square and this is a cube. A cube is a 3D shape of square. A square has 4 corners, 4 edges and 1 face. This is a face of square and this is a edge. Edge means kada. 1, 2, 3 and 4 edges square have. And this is a corner. Corners मराठीतून त्याला म्हणतात कोपरा. 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Do you understand what is mean of edge and corner? Edge means side of shape. म्हणजे शेपच्या ज्या बाजू असतात, ज्या कडा असतात, त्या कडांना म्हणतात एज. आणि कॉर्नर्स. कॉर्नर्स म्हणजे हे जे तुम्हाला जे कोपरे दिसतात ना, तर त्यांना काय बोलतो आपण? कॉर्नर्स. एजेस आणि कॉर्नर्स तुम्हाला समजलेलं असेल. This is a cube. Cube has 8 corners, 12 edges and 6 faces. Now our next shape is cuboid. Cuboid or parallel pipe. This is a rectangle and this is a cuboid. Cuboid is a 3D shape of rectangle. A rectangle has 4 corners, 4 edges and 1 face. Cuboid has 8 corners, 12 edges and 6 faces. Our next shape is cone. The shape like clown's cap is called a cone. कोन तुम्ही बर्थडे पार्टीजमध्ये पाहिलं असेल ना, वेअर करतात का नाही बर्थडे पार्टीज असते तेव्हा. मग तो शेप कशासारखा असतो तर कोनसारखा. अँड नाव दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल. अ ट्रायंगल हॅज 3 corners. 1, 2 and 3. And how many edges does corner have? Let's count. 1, 2 and 3 edges corner have and 1 face. A cone has 1 corner, 1 curved edge. This is a curved edge of corner and 2 faces. This one and this one. Okay. Next, cylinder. A bottle-like shape which has circular base is called cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. Let's count. 1. This is second curve face and third. Same back side. This is a cylinder and cylinder has 3 faces and 2 curved sides. Now let's see this one and same back side. Do you understand? 1 and 2. 2 curved size cylinder have. And our last shape is sphere. A shape like a ball is called sphere. बघा तुमच्या फुटबॉल सारखा राऊंड राऊंड दिसतोय का नाही, तर स्पियर कसा असतो? सर्कल म्हणजे गोल असतो, बरोबर आहे का नाही. मग इथे तुम्हाला एजेस आणि कॉर्नर्स दिसत आहे का? त्याला एज पण नाही आहे आणि कॉर्नर पण नाही, कारण तो सर्कल आहे का नाही. सो स्पियर हॅज 1 कर्व फेस. ओनली 1 कर्व फेस. फक्त एक कर्व फेस दिसतोय तुम्हाला. असं स्पियर हॅज 0 एजेस अँड 0 कॉर्नर्स. So today we are going to learn edges of cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Do you understand what is meant by edge and corners? Very good. Okay, bye students.